Hello, Martin from Baker's Timber Buildings. Wanted to show you this fantastic project recently finished over in Slinfold, which is near Horsham in West Sussex, so a relatively local one for us. This is a unique building for us. It's the first fully in-ground endless pool that we've completed along with our friends at Home Counties, and also must make a note of the builders that have been doing a development on this property that they've also been very involved in, and I'll give you a link to them on the case study and this video. This is really focused for disability access. I'd like to show you those little touches that we've done to ensure this was perfect for our client, but along with that also to show you the building in itself. It's the largest allowed within the regulations, so externally this is 6.1 by 5.1, so internally literally just nipping under the 30 square meters. I'll show you around the outside first. It's in our standard anthracite. It's what we call our kite, so that's French doors. You see they're French doors along with glass, but because of thresholds and disabled access, the doors are actually in aluminium and not UPVC, so that was an upgrade. Done in the V200 MTX with the expel airs you see here, the humidity sensing ones, also added an alarm onto the building as well. Let me take you around side access, and I'll show you more about that when I'm taking you inside the building. This is so so a wheelchair can get all the way through. On the back here we've done the cement wall, kept it 1 metre away from the boundaries, and if I wander along here for you, I'll also be able to show you the little plant room. The plant room again is all geared up with the 10-year guarantee, so none of this is timber, and I should be able to just open this up for you and you can see inside. Now this kind of uniquely again to this project, and only a couple we've done before, you've got two motors in here. One is for the endless pool that you would have probably seen on videos of mine before. The other one is actually for the cover, and again because we're going through talking about disabled access and usability, everything's geared up for that. Let me take you inside. So because our client needed the pool to be at ground level, this is the first one we've ever done like that. So you can see here it's a fully in-ground endless pool. It's the smallest size they do at 12 by 8, but that fits perfectly for the client. We have allowed a gap here more than normal, so when the wheelchair comes to this point here, so you can get in and out of these steps. So everything's been very, very considered here. Then the amount of access down there's a pit that we've got here. We can get down and the guys at Home Counties can do any servicing that's needed on the endless pool. Got the wall wash lights at the back, along with LED lights on the surface, and that those touches are really really nice. It's all done on a remote key fob. All of the lighting's done remotely because of course you're in a wet room environment. Here, if I just spin you around here, you can see down there. This is the open close of the automatic cover, so you can just turn that. Again, done at a height so that our client that's in a wheelchair and mobility scooters is able to turn them herself. We've then got another ventilation window here, and then another side door, and that allows that wheelchairs to come in and out, and I'll take you around outside again and show you that in a minute. Other touches that we've done, or that Home Counties have done should I say, are special steps in, so you can see as I come around the side here, you've got a really good step system that works with the block there, designed by Endless Pools and installed by Home Counties. The handrails there, again, very well considered, and they've got this grippiness that they've just found to work. So so it's really doing a fundamental job to keep our client as mobile as possible, and she's using it daily for around 50 minutes to an hour, which is fantastic to hear. Inside finished with the MDF plane, and this all around here is the cement board, so that doesn't take on any moisture. Finished in the timeless colour. Just a beautiful building, a lovely environment to train in. So there you go. So our first ever in-ground pool along with our friends at Home Counties, and the building itself, a 30 square metre kite, full 10-year pack with the MTX cladding, cement wall on this side and the rear. The plant room will sit in there, you can see, and just a great project that's doing a great job. Total flush threshold there, and also on this other door here. So all the considerations for wheelchair access throughout the whole project have been considered. So it's been a real feat of engineering to make sure every level's right, but it's worked perfectly well, and it's a project we're really proud to be involved in. If any endless pool or any garden building or garden room is of interest to you, feel free to give me a call on 01444 247 192. Thank you.